With one really good source and one simple prompt inside of NotebookLM, you can create an information product, I'll just say easily. Check this out. Go over to Content Sparks. There's a link in the description. They have some products over here. These products are the source. This is the source that you want to use in NotebookLM because these products are PLR. They're private label rights. They come with a license to use them as your own. I have this product right here. It's called Brilliant Brainstorming Methods. The idea here is brainstorming is an art, and you can teach people these methods of how to brainstorm and how effective brainstorming is. You can purchase this. This becomes your source. This is now yours to create your own information product. So you take that over to NotebookLM, you load that up. You can see here, this is the source. I purchased a license to this. It is now mine to use to create my own information product. I simply first want to start by understanding the key topics. So I'm going to click on Discuss Brainstorming Methods right here. It's not even a prompt. It's just one click. It's NotebookLM doing the work for you, the AI engine going through and parsing the document before you've even read it. Of course, you should read it. You should understand and learn and know about brainstorming before you start trying to sell an information product, teaching people how to brainstorm. But understand that once you click this button, Discuss Brainstorming Methods, it breaks down the document and it simplifies it for you. Then after you have that to create an information product, you just need this one simple prompt that you can paste in. Give me an example problem and solution using these methods, and then group the solution into a 3-step system with 3 sub-steps per main step, and write an outline to create an info product. Write an outline or create an outline. Here is an example problem and solution using the brainstorming methods. The problem, a local bakery. Your target audience now would be bakeries that are experiencing declining sales and want to brainstorm new ideas to attract more customers and increase revenue. Brainstorming method. The bakery staff will use a combination of mind mapping, the challenger method, and random input to generate a wide range of ideas. Here is your solution. 3 steps with 3 sub-steps. They need to. Step 1, go through the process of ideation or idea generation using mind mapping, challenger method, random input. Step 2, step 3, then it brings you to the outline. You now have the outline, the ultimate guide to revitalizing your bakery business, proven strategies to increase sales and customer loyalty. You now have an information product from one high-quality source that you purchase a license to use as your own content to create your own information product. One simple prompt that says, give me an example, problem, and solution. Then you could just take it to the next level and say, give me another example that is not a bakery, another brainstorming example, improving customer service. The problem, a software company is receiving negative feedback about their customer service and wants to brainstorm ways to improve customer experience. The customer service team would employ a combination of new perspective, speed thinking, and stepladder techniques to generate and refine ideas for enhancing their service. Here's the solution. And then you can see down here, it's telling you how this is going to solve the problem for this customer service team. At that point, you go back up and you understand that with one high quality source and one simple prompt that I'm giving you right here, pause, type in that prompt, understand that you just need to go over to Content Sparks, look through their catalog of products and find something that makes sense to you as far as an information product to create, something that you want to learn more about, something that you could actually go out and do yourself, and then something that you could teach in your information product and sell, and you're on your way to easy info product creation, utilizing one high quality source of information that has been researched and developed as an information product, but you just take it and you use AI and NotebookLM to simplify it with one simple prompt, create your own information product, get out there and sell it. Link in the description to check out Content Sparks. Of course, if you have any questions about this method or anything else about or around info product creation using AI, let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.